Right, restaurant website builders. So what we decided to do, guys, something a little bit special for all you restaurant owners out there. Now, a lot of people's are looking for new restaurant websites, and they don't want to be paying a fortune for them. I know if you get a dedicated website designer in, it can cost you an absolute packet. Now, we want to do something a little bit special. So what we've decided to do is we've decided to offer websites for $1. Right now, $1, you're going to get the template. We're going to show you exactly how to work the website, how to build it, how to make it better, how to improve it. And we're also going to give you hosting for life for free, right? The whole lot is completely free, right? Apart from the $1. So it's not completely free. It's $1 for the whole lot, right? So $1 is going to pay for your hosting for the rest of your life and pay for these templates. Now, what you're actually going to get, it's a 2-button click. So first off, you click this button and you'll be sent off to something called Groove. Now, Groove, as well as the website, are going to give you the free hosting. So it's important you click that first, otherwise the templates won't work. They're going to give you free hosting. They're also going to give you email marketing. They're also going to give you Groove Sell, which means you can start selling digital products. I don't know if that'll be any use to you. You also get Groove Video, though, which could be a lot of use for use in your social media marketing. It means you can host the videos yourself, then put them out on your social media whenever you want to, which is a huge advantage. Now, I'm going to show you through the restaurants, and then I've got some other things as well. However, if you only want the restaurant template, that's not a problem. You can have the restaurant template as a standalone product. Let's just go through some of the designs just quickly. So first off, this is all about the different restaurant templates. So you have quite a few different templates here, all very, very simple to go in and change yourself. Now, we can go in and change them all for you. We can completely customize it. However, that is sadly chargeable, but we'll come to that in a moment. So what you're going to get is you're going to get a pack of all of these restaurants. So basically, you can take all these restaurants. Now, another good thing about where we're hosting it, firstly, the host is really quick. So you're going to get one of the fastest hostings out there. Now, the website builder itself also is built to rank in Google. So it means that you can go out, you can get a website, you can rank it in Google, and be number one within Google's search engine in no time at all, meaning you can dominate your entire market. Now, the websites themselves, there's a lot of different ones. This one's for a Mexican restaurant. Just got the place there ready to put your pictures. It's got all the rest of the stuff in there, and it's got your testimonials down the bottom. Right, now that's the first one. Obviously, it's got a little slidey bit that goes along, and it's all cool, and it'll show you all the various different parts of it. So it's quite a nice little restaurant website. Right, so next we have Best Burgers in Washington. Right, so burger website. This one, you can go in there. You can change it any way you want to. It's got little sliders as well there to show your products off the best that can be shown. It's all cool, and we've got little product lists and whatnot as well. Now, all of these bits can be added, intertwined, changed. It's not a problem. It's so easy to build. It's beyond all belief. Next, you have Pizza Restaurant. As you can see, similar sort of layout. Again, with the reviews down the bottom. Sorry, I can't speak this morning. With reviews down the bottom, and it's all just ready for you to go in and change however you would like to change it. Now, we also have a big restaurant. Now, this bit here is quite important. I'm going to come back to that in a little while because that's actually something that we're offering as well for less than what you'll pay for just hosting of your website. So this has got an awful lot of stuff in here. So you can go in there, you can change it whatever you want. You have any currency you want, and that's not a problem. And as you can see, it's quite a nice little website. It's got an awful lot of stuff in there ready for you to be used. Now, you've also got Pizza Restaurant. It's a bit more simple. More or less just a landing page, to be honest with you. We've got a steak restaurant, again, with this QR code. And as you can see, it's got a lot of stuff in it. So you can go in, you can book a table, you can do absolutely all sorts, right? So it's all cool. Now then, the reason why I was saying there's more than what you've seen here is because we've decided to go an awful lot of steps further. Right, now first, obviously you can get the website. The website is perfect. It works an absolute dream, and it's fast. So as I say, you can rank it on Google without a problem in the slightest. Now, what else we decided was, a lot of people aren't using social media to the most that they can use it for. All right. So what we decided to do was we decided to give a lot of social media various different things. So you've got print and social media ready. So you've got burgers, you've got coffee shops, you've got, I don't even know what that one is. It's Caribbean restaurant, Chinese restaurant, Indian restaurant, Italian restaurant, kebab restaurant, pizza restaurant, southern fried chicken restaurant, sushi restaurant, and Thai restaurant. Now you're going to get a full pack of all of these, right? Now these are used on your website if you want to use them on your website. They're all very, very easy to change. They're just simple to do. We're selling all of this entire pack for $27, right? That includes your videos, includes all the pictures, includes a whole lot. But that's not everything. This is where we start getting really interesting. So next, what we have is we actually have our complete restaurant marketing system. Now, I was going to call it a chatbot, but it's so much more. So firstly, what you can do is the QR codes that you've seen before, this will actually go out, it'll scan the QR codes, and it'll put people into your chatbot so they can book a table, they can order food, they can see your entire menu. So you can have one of these QR codes on each one of your tables if you wanted to. It will do absolutely all sorts. Now, we've also got a few promotions that's built in there. Right, so I'll just take you through this page. So basically you need a menu. We have a full menu here, including any extras that you might want to add, whatever price you might want to add. This is where they can order it as well. Now you don't necessarily have to have them ordering it as well. You could just have the restaurant, just have the menu, sorry. And from the menu, it's all cool. But as you can see, this is the one that's on the table. You can sit and scan it, and it'll bring up the entire menu. Now that's cool enough, but it'll do takeaway and collection, right? So you can set it for takeaways, you can set it for collection, you can even set it for the table numbers. So if you've got 10 tables, if you've got 20 tables, you can name each table, have a different QR code for each table. As soon as somebody scans that QR code, they can then place an order or be just inside your chatbot. Now, it'll track all your stock and all your money as well. And another little feature that we added as well is 20 hours after they've eaten, what we've decided to do is we then send them a message. Our chatbot sends them a message and asks how they enjoyed their food. Now, if they enjoyed the food, they can leave a rating. If they leave a rating of 4-star and below, you can set it anyone you want. Then what happens is the management get told and the management will sort it out. If they get offered, if they leave a rating of 5-star and above, can't go above 5-star, if they leave a rating of 5-star, then what you can then do is you can then send them to whichever platform you want that rating to appear. So if you want more Yelp reviews or more Facebook reviews or more Google reviews, that's all really simple. Now you've also got full messenger marketing, so that's all built in there as well. And what else you can do, you can automate all of your posts, right? So not only will your messenger marketing start to be able to book tables, tell people a little bit more about yourself, offer promotions and vouchers, run the various promotions like birthday promotions. If you're ever going to run a promotion, birthday is the ultimate promotion. It's awesome. Now, I've also decided as well, because obviously we don't want you going out and having to pay for people to do all of this, we're giving a full free membership site. Now, it's all about marketing. It's all about restaurants, all about how to make more money with our software, right? That's all free as well. So there's absolutely nothing else. Now, per restaurant, it costs $27 per month, right? Which is less than what you would pay for hosting of a website. Remember, you get your website for nothing. Now, you can also answer questions. So if you put up a post, somebody comments on the post, you can then reply to that comment, and then you can also send them a DM, which increases your engagement and makes Facebook want to show your post to more people. Right, you can build your list up. Your list is hugely important. I can't stress how important a list actually is. A list will get you people in your doors who want to spend money day in, day out. As soon as you've got a quiet day, you can mail off the list. You can send them Facebook messengers. You can send them SMS messages. You can do whatever you want and give them a special offer. Get your restaurant filled. And as I said before, you've got the birthday promotions. So that's the complete package. Now, the complete package altogether, you've got the restaurant website and hosting for $1. If you wanted the graphics, you can have the graphics. They're $27, right? We don't necessarily need the graphics. Or you could just have the chatbot, which is $27 per month. Now, all of this can be delivered. It can be all customized. We can customize it all for you. Don't worry, our prices aren't huge. We can customize the whole thing for you. So there's no need for you to worry about it. Now, if you do want us to customize it, there's no need to, though, because we do give full training, just if you're short on time. Right, for the actual restaurant itself, as I say, $1. For the website done for you completely is $227, right? We've also got something on the chatbot side. I've got a price list within the chatbot as well. But the chatbot, to be honest, there's already a template pretty much there. You just need to go in and change your particular parts. So that's it, guys. To be honest with you, I think this is one of the best offers for restaurants. I've seen the likes of Wix, the likes of Squarespace, and all the rest of them, and none of them are actually geared towards getting your restaurant website faster. This is geared towards you scoring higher and towards you making more money. That's why I've done the complete system all in one. So if this looks of interest to you, click the link down below and get the restaurant template all done. And hopefully we'll see you very soon. Right, cheers. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.